all. Chainsaws ring, are you listening? Saw blades sing, chips are sizzling. Too cold to get hot, we work till we drop. Got to get the wood cut for it snows. Maybe the boss will let us off this Christmas, and we'll go to the lodge and party down. Maybe the boss will give us all a bonus, and we'll drink up all the liquor in this town. Later on, with work upon us, the boss comes by, says there's no bonus. We're 3 days behind, he needs us overtime. Got to get the wood cut for it snows. Boss will let us off next Christmas, and we'll go to the lodge and party down. Maybe the boss will give us all a bonus, and we'll drink up all the liquor in this town. Later on, we'll perspire. If we don't, we'll all get fired. Too cold to get hot, we work till we drop. Got to get the wood cut for it snows. Got to get the wood cut for it snows. Got to get the wood cut for it snows. Got to get the wood cut for it snows. Got to get the wood cut for it snows. Every single day they got me working at the mill, and girl, you know you're always on my mind. The boss don't seem to care when Christmas comes around. Lord, I've got to be alone with you and gently lay your body down. Sawmill Christmas, silent night. We need to be together and hold each other tight. Sawmill Christmas, alone with you. I want to spend the Sawmill Christmas at home with you. As the sleigh bells ring and the saw blade sings, my mind just drifts a million miles away. I see a cabin on the hill and snowflakes on the ground. As I kiss you neath the mistletoe, I gently lay your body down. Sawmill Christmas, silent night. We need to be together and hold each other tight. All I want is just a Sawmill Christmas, alone with you. I want to spend the Sawmill Christmas at home with you. Sawmill Christmas, silent night. We need to be together and hold each other tight. Sawmill Christmas at home with you. I want to spend the Sawmill Christmas alone with you. Hope I make it home before Santa makes his rounds. We'll put the decorations on the tree. The children nestle in their beds with visions in their heads. Then I kiss you by the fireplace and gently lay your body down. Sawmill Christmas, silent night. We need to be together and hold each other tight. All I want is just a Sawmill Christmas alone with you. I want to spend this Sawmill Christmas at home with you.
Hey, Drake, what'd you ask Santa for Christmas?
Well, I asked him for a new home light and a gallon of bar oil. How about you?
I asked for a new chipper chain for my Mac 10.
Listen, here comes Santa again.
Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, bringing all those toys for good little girls, boys. Let him buy, let him slide, won't you let him ride? He's flying through the air with frost blown in his hair, cruising at speed of light, he'll bring you joy tonight. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, bringing all those toys for good little girls and boys. Let him buy, let him slide, let him ride. With radar systems on, you know it won't be long. Rocket sled and gear, he'll bring you Christmas cheer. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus. Stacks of lumber, lots of lumber, stacked for miles and for miles. In the air there's a big cloud of sawdust. Ripsaws running, they keep humming, enough to deafen your ears. At the end of the day you can't hear silver bells, silver bells, it's Christmas time at the sawmill. Feeling good, smell like wood, hope we get off Christmas Day. trucks crashing, loads are smashing, people run for their lives. Just a typical day at the sawmill. Bandsaws ringing, foreman screaming, there'll be no bonus this year. At the end of the day you can't hear silver bells, silver bells. It's Christmas time at the sawmill. Feeling good, smell like wood. Hope we get off Christmas Day. Silver bells, silver bells. Hope we get off Christmas Day.
Jingle bells, the foreman yells.
You must work Christmas Day. You must come in with a grin or go home without pay.
Jingle bells, the foreman yells.
You're working overtime today.
Oh, how I'd like to have just one Christmas off with pay. Driving through the snow in my Isuzu pup. I'm running kind of late. Hope I don't get stuck. Look back in my mirror and see a bright red light. Thought it was old Rudolph, but I'm stuck in jail tonight. Jingle bells, it sure smells in this cell today. I can hear the foreman yell.
You're fired without pay.
Jingle bells, it sure smells like Rudolph's been in here. I'll just wait until my wife bails me out next year. Whoa, jingle bells, it sure smells in this cell today. I can hear the foreman yell.
You're fired without pay.
Whoa, jingle bells, it sure smells like Rudolph's been in here. I'll just wait until my wife bails me out next year. Jingle bells, it sure smells in this cell today. I can hear the foreman yell.
You're fired without pay.
Whoa! Jingle bells, it sure smells. Wish I had a beer. I'll just wait until my wife bails me out next